We begin tonight with the spreading COVID threat. Even with just over half of Americans now fully vaccinated, that's not enough to hold off a surge of new cases. The U.S. is now reporting an average 100,000 infections per day, up from 11,000 in late June. Hospitalizations are also up, averaging about 50,000 a day. CBS's Mola Lenghi is in Sturgis, South Dakota tonight, where there's clearly more fun than fear.
That's right, Jerika. Here at the rally, there are no mask mandates, no vaccination requirements, and that's just how these bikers seem to like it. Now, while parts of the rest of the country deal with that severe COVID spike, here at Sturgis, you'd barely know the virus exists. With more than 500,000 people expected at the annual Sturgis Motorcycle Rally, City Manager Daniel Ainsley thought he'd be a little busier delivering COVID rapid tests to people with symptoms.
Any issues as far as COVID, masks?
We haven't had any issues. We have COVID tests available. We have COVID masks available. In the very beginning, we were running around town, making a lot of deliveries and starting to get worried about how we're going to keep up. But ultimately, interest in it really kind of went away.
The entire U.S. is red hot with COVID spread. Health officials say the Delta surge is dire in the southeast, including Florida, Tennessee, and Kentucky, where hospitalizations jumped 50% in a week.
So we have basically patients everywhere. We're taking care of 5, 6 patients at one time. That's not an easy task.
In hard-hit Florida, deaths have quadrupled in a month.
How you doing?
At Jacksonville's Impact Church, the congregation is reeling from a fatal outbreak.
We literally have 6 people who have tested positive, ended up in the hospital and passed away within the last 10 days.
New infections are highest among the unvaccinated. Just 50% of Americans are fully vaccinated.
We were scared, and then because of our age.
There's a push to get shots in the arms of children as many begin heading back to classrooms starting tomorrow.
I can't think of a business right now that would put 30 unvaccinated people in a confined space without masks and keep them there for the whole day.
Pediatric cases are already soaring. 1 in 5 new COVID cases in the last week of July were kids.
This is political overreach.
Still, the debate over school mask and vaccine mandates continues to boil over. Compliance is mandatory for Americans who want to go to Canada. They must be vaccinated and have proof of a negative COVID test. After 16 months, the Great White North is finally reopening its borders to U.S. visitors tomorrow. But Canadians won't be allowed to come here until August 21st. Most of the bikers we've spoken to here tell us they have at least one shot. As a state, more than 54% of South Dakotans are fully vaccinated. That is higher than the national average, Jerika.
Mola Lenghi for us in Sturgis, South Dakota. Thank you.